Hey, all of my creative butterflies, this is Creative Design, and I'm coming back at you with another video. Today's video is simple, but it's something that will take your outfit over the top when you're having a bad hair day, if you're beside the pool and you just want something to make that fashion statement while you're comfortable. This is the item, guys. You remember those old banana clips we used to wear in our hair? Well, these are designer. Look at that Chanel logo on that clip, guys. You cannot beat it. Like I said, if you're at the pool, the beach, and you want to pin your hair up, but you still want to be cute and fashionable, this is the item for you. Guys, it came in two different colors. I bought it in the all black, as you can see. Pretty decent size, about the size of my hand. This was a little bit smaller. It came in black and white, and I thought they were absolutely adorable. So grab these if you want something to be stylish with, but just don't feel like taking it over the top for that day. Now this piece, guys, I saved for last. I saved the best for last because this right here you can rock any way. You can dress it up. You can have your hair hanging long and put this across the front. This is a headband, guys, and it gives diva vibes all the way. When I ordered it, I thought it was really, really cute, but I had no idea that the detail on it would give the vibes that it's giving. The letters are so thick, guys. They are 3D, and the dimension in them just makes this piece. The gold is really, really heavy, and it really, really sets it off. So if you are looking for something to make a fashion statement and you just want to throw on a sundress, put this on and be cute, this is the thing for you. I will link it in the description box or the comment below so that you guys can purchase. And again, we're always divas over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Smooches.